Hey, this is JRI from inkthemes.com. Today I'm going to show you how to set up digital affiliate box WordPress theme. But before that, let me give you a quick introduction about the theme. Digital Affiliate Box is a powerful WordPress theme and plugin combo to create an affiliate store on autopilot. This amazing product lets you set up your store in the blink of an eye. Now moving ahead, let's take a sneak peek at its preview and different focal point that we have got in this theme and that will help you to enhance your store. So let's get started. Here you can see the logo section. Here you can place your own business logo. Moving down, here is the navigation menu, and top of it here is banner space where you can place your own ad banner. Now scrolling down, here is the slider section. Here you can put your product image with link or showcase some exciting offers and let your visitors to redirect to that page. Now moving down, here is the product section. Here you can showcase the list of product that you're gonna import from Envato sites. Now here you can see the image of product along with its description and heading. Now here we have got the button. When you click on this button, you will be navigated to product page where you will find the full description of the product. Now on my right side, here on right side you can see the sidebar, widgetized sidebar where you can put extra information regarding your store. Now scrolling down, here is the 4-column widgetized footer area down which you will find social icon. So you can put up your social icon here, and here is the footer text. So this is the digital box WordPress theme. Now moving further, for theme installation process, for that you have to move to your dashboard. Okay, here is your dashboard. Here is your dashboard. Now to install digital box, go to appearance, click on theme. Okay, now here click on add new, and now click on upload theme. As I already got the zip file on my desktop, so I'll click upload. Okay, now you need to click on choose file. Here is my theme file, so just select it and just click on install now. As you can see, theme is installing, and okay, now just click activate. Now the theme is activated. Now you need a digital box plugin. So you already got this message over here. All you need to do is just click on begin installing plugin, and you can see, okay, click on install. You can see it's installing. Okay, now after click that, return to required plugin. Now click on activate the plugin. Now the plugin has been installed and activated successfully. Okay. Okay, now go to your dashboard. Now here you can see two options, digital affiliate box and digital product. Click on digital affiliate box. Okay. So now to create affiliate store, you need to enter your Envato account detail below. For that, just click here. You'll be redirected to Envato site. Well, if you don't have account, you need to sign up first before moving further. Well, I have got my account and I'm signed in. Now from here, Envato dashboard, you can manage all your apps and tokens, manage and revoke permission. Well, moving down, here you can see register a new app. So here you need to register your app. For that you need to enter your app name. So for me it's digital box. I'm writing digital box. Now required permission. Here you can see this box is checked, view and search Envato option. You can check other option as well if you wish for, but I guess this one is enough. Now here confirmation URL. For this you need to enter this URL. So just copy this and this URL and paste it over here. Now after reading terms and conditions, check this box and register your app. So your app is registered now. Just copy the secret key and paste it over here. Now just confirm this and click on got it. Now you can see your app is registered, and here is the app, Digital Box. Copy client ID and just paste it over here, client ID. Now next step that you need to do is generate a referral URL, so that whenever a user click on your referral link, sign up for an account and purchase an item by any of Envato Market site, you'll receive commission. So for that, go to ThemeForest sites, click on affiliates. Now from here, over here write your username. So my username is JRI, so I'll write that. Just copy this link, this, and paste it over here. Okay, now click on Save Changes. Now your detail has been saved, so now API is connected, so all you need to do is just click here to authorize the app. So just click on Approve now. Okay, now you are done. Go to Search Product. From here, enter your search product criteria. So here, like I'm writing WordPress. Now site ThemeForest, filter. Okay. Searchable theme. Now from here you need to search for the product by filling these criteria. So here search text, like I'm writing WordPress. Now suppose I'm selecting, you can select this site from here. So I'm selecting ThemeForest, and category, sales, price menu, maximum price. You can fill this criteria according to your requirement, and now select date, so this year, and click on filter. Now here you can see the list of all the themes that is present in Envato Marketplace. So overall 2360 items. So now you can select the product that you want to showcase on your site. So I'll just select that product and click on import. Okay, now all the product imported successfully, so you can go to digital product. Okay, see, here is all the product. Now just click on view site. Okay, here you can find this kind of error, but don't worry, just go to your dashboard, settings, permalinks. Okay, it's day and time. Just click on post name and save changes. Now you are done. Just refresh it. Okay, now here you can see the product, image, live preview, and other related information. Now again move to your dashboard and visit the site. Now to display your product over here on home page, you need to do is just go to appearance, theme option panel, click on home setting, choose product option and save all changes, and just refresh the site. Now here you can see the list of product. Okay, now you are done. Hope this tutorial will help you to set up your own affiliate store. Thanks for watching.